If you're getting a GOG error while installing, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that solve this problem for a lot of people. Whether the issue is with a game installer, GOG Galaxy, or a permissions problem on your PC, these steps can help you get back to installing your games normally. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing I want you to try is using the offline installer instead of relying on the launcher. Go to the GOG website and log into your GOG account. Once you're signed in, open the Games page and select the game you want to install. On that page, look for the option that says Download Offline Backup Game Installers. This is often the easiest fix because it gives you the full installer files directly without depending on GOG Galaxy during the setup process. Download every file that's listed for the game, and once they're finished downloading, find the main setup executable and run it directly. After the installer finishes, launch the game once to make sure everything is working properly. In many cases, this alone can solve the GOG installation error. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to run the installer as an administrator. Sometimes Windows blocks part of the install process because the installer doesn't have enough permission to write files where it needs to. To do this, right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. If you're using GOG Galaxy instead of a standalone installer, right-click the GOG Galaxy shortcut and do the same thing. This gives the installer elevated access, which can help it complete the install without running into permission errors. If the game is still failing through GOG Galaxy, you may also want to check the permissions for the C drive folder where it installs games. Specifically, make sure the C+ program files x86 directory has full control permissions enabled for your user or for the app when needed. That folder is commonly protected by Windows, and incorrect permissions can cause install problems. Now let's move on to another very common cause, your antivirus or firewall. Security software can sometimes think a game installer or launcher is suspicious, even when it's completely safe. If the install is failing, temporarily disable your antivirus while you install the game, then turn it back on when you're done. If you don't want to fully disable it, a better option is to add the installer executable and the GOG folders to your antivirus exception list or trusted list. That way, your security software won't keep blocking the installation process in the background. If you're using a firewall, make sure it isn't preventing GOG Galaxy or the installer from accessing the internet or writing files to your system. If you've tried all three of these steps and you're still seeing a GOG error, go back and double check the basics. Make sure the installer files finish downloading properly, make sure you have enough free disk space, and make sure Windows is fully updated. A corrupted download or a missing permission can sometimes look like a bigger issue than it really is. In most cases though, one of these fixes will get the installer working again. So to quickly recap, first, try the offline backup installers from your GOG account. Second, run the installer or GOG Galaxy as an administrator and check folder permissions. Third, temporarily disable antivirus or add GOG to your trusted exceptions. These are the most effective first steps when you run into a GOG installation error. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.